So we have to live within natural law and design of our bodies. That's very, very important. We were designed to eat a plant-based diet. We are actually have the ability to live on fruits and vegetables if you're highly evolved and the biological terrain of the human body on a cellular level is clean. We need very little beyond fruits and vegetables, a small amount of nuts and seeds, a few other things in there, and it's very questionable how much of those you really do need. So basically, with all the confusion that's going on, and so many health experts are telling people that they have to eat animal protein because when they tried it, or some of the research, double-blind studies showed that when people didn't do it for a couple months, that they started to run into problems. Well, what they were really running into was transition. They were really running into their body trying to evolve to be the most that it possibly can as a biological organism. There's no doubt about it. I mean, we definitely could live as vegans, as raw fooders, if it's done correctly. I see so many people that now that I'm seeing on the internet that said they tried to be a vegan or tried to be a raw food, and they tried it for 3 or 4 years and it didn't work for them. Well, okay, I can understand that it didn't work for them, but why did it not work for them is the question. On another note, I don't see anything wrong with a person eating some cooked food and they could still be healthy. Or I also have people come to see me that are eating some animal protein in its highest biological form, clean, without pesticides, hormones, and indwelling antibiotics in a majority of a plant-based diet. They can be okay. I see it all the time. So I'm not dogmatic, and I certainly don't want to upset anybody that thinks it has to be done one way. Of course, I think the raw food diet, even 100% raw food diet, done the way it has to be done correctly, over a long period of time, can be done very, very successful. I have no doubt about it because I've been doing it myself. I've seen other people do it. But most people don't realize to really get superbly healthy and to have that super consciousness that comes from eating raw foods, everybody thinks it's going to come within 6 months or a year. Well, I have to disagree with that. The initial detox that people go through, that's not the long-term detox that I'm talking about, where people really become a sophisticated biological organism, and the biological terrain of the human body is clean and working efficiently, and where you have a chance to slow down your aging process. There's no two ways about it. You can definitely slow down your aging process without taking HGH and testosterone and taking all these super nutraceuticals that are out there.